OG, boy better know me. Beefing up with muscles that are mighty like a Broly. OP, force like Kenobi. I will never fall back. Tackle him so hard he'd be looking like the All Black. Speedwagon cause I overdrive. Breath dragon when he burns alive. Dio planning till my dog would die. Be like John Wick so you won't survive. Striking like Big Ben the bells and burn up like Kelvin. Vampire hunter Van Helsing. Hammer the nails in fine intervention. Crash like a Zeppelin, that's no way to heaven. Used to be the same team, but we're not the same league. You know that your time is up when you hear the main theme. Beating Dio before it became mainstream. Jojo, I created a legacy.
Oh my god! It's that Joe style ultimate deceiver. Cause ladies love me, I'm a real pleaser. As Susie Q, my robot finger. All this or more, I don't need a breather. Any game I play, I'm the best cheater. Too hot, K-Face, TPC fever. Enemy drop hard like a rock on Jesus. Rest in peace, I'm the pillar's reaper. Even Wampu sees that he's the weaker. What? You still a non-believer? Your next line is, you're a mind reader. I'm taking Doom to the cleaners by running away. Now he runs in circles. Grab a TV, what's this commercial? Not tentacle porn, it's a purple.
Start playing with the Wampu's looking like a body tattoo. I don't have the time to argue. Why not look into my soul?
Yes!
Catch my sleight of hand, it's going straight into your dome. Death at your door is knocking. On an argument against my squadron. Get the upper hand, don't stay confident. Learn from Joseph to play the possum. And I don't love too often. Approaching Dio and I'll squash him. Promise I'm putting him back in his coffin. Saving the world, then saving the dolphin!
It's about to get crazy, dying. Just got here with a timing. The Joe Stars, yeah, you know who we are. Couldn't keep up even if you was a highway star. A real man is a pompadour. This, that, then I gotta beat your ass for sure. I'm not an explorer, I was just thorough. My way through heaven's door. Get room to dance and rearrange your body. Wanna fight me, then go ahead and try me. No, not still over, I would make you rock in your engine. Other day feeling phenomenal. Wanna get fixed on my stain, got the antidote. But don't get missing, cause I will break all your balls. Balls are red hot, they talking chili pepper. Tell all your feelings, so gotta prepare.
You never had a chance to start with the illegitimate child of Dia. I'm a band of the classic prowess. Powers limitless. I kill Biggie Smalls, sacrifice my arm. Win, you give a fist in life before I kiss your wife. And this the time you try to fight the guy who defies all. Y'all better watch your back. But for my boys, rock up to your house and run it attacked. Gangstar, I am truly bizarre. When my theme comes on, you better rock a guitar. It's all over when my mood will leave you cold and hideous. Pissing on your grave, that's a golden experience. And everybody's out to get us. Passionate, we'll be killing them from Rome to Venice. It's evident, Diabolo gonna roll in his grave. When I put his ass to sleep, requiem for a train.
Coming in as fifth generation, facing all the incarceration. Didn't do the crime, but still I'm walking the line. Unravel the rabble, tie you up in a battle. Big or small, you're up against a stone wall. Place your bet to be falling, try not the plan to be plotted. Oh Father, please forgive me for the beat I'll be dropping. Like lightning on fire, you'll bring you down like a fighter. Gotta keep it in the family,
all my life I've been cursed. Jesus help me start walking. Too determined to be first. In this race I don't have an option. You don't wanna tangle with a slow dancer. Drop kick 'em all with the top spin. All my enemies want their own damn hurts. Fingernails, put nails in the coffin. No one can stand, but I gotta stand to lay you in the dirt. Spin the tables to turn. You wanna catch a saint's hand, break a leg. Cause I'm sure you're about to find out how my steel balls work. Deal on the way of the dinosaurs, no way to defend. I'm going from Mach 1 to 4, don't delay your end. Valentina's trying to make America great again, but you with the last shot, took it to the head.
Who am I? Welcome to my struggle. Got one mind, but the body feels double. Searching my past, I don't want no trouble. Trust me, you don't wanna burst my bubble. Soft and wet, just know you said your sight, your sound, color pop music. Don't slip up when I'm around, cause I took the friction right out the ground. You wanna throw all your rocks at me, just cause I'm born this way. According to basic biology, my skills are better than yours, I'm afraid. That's why they call me Gappy, I'm on the top, while you're below. I'm singing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Sailing through life, going out from both.
OG, boy better know me. Beefing up with muscles that are mighty like a Broly. OP, force like Kenobi. I will never fall back. Tackle him so hard he'd be looking like the All Black. Speedwagon cause I overdrive. Breath dragon when he burns alive. Dio planning till my dog would die. Be like John Wick so you won't survive. Striking like Big Ben the bells and burn up like Kelvin. Vampire hunter Van Helsing. Hammer the nails in fine intervention. Crash like a Zeppelin, that's no way to heaven. Used to be the same team, but we're not the same league. You know that your time is up when you hear the main theme. Beating Dio before it became mainstream. Jojo, I created a legacy.
Oh my god! It's that Joe style ultimate deceiver. deceiver, cause ladies love me, I'm a real pleaser. Susie, you're my robot finger. All this hormone, I don't need a breather. Any game I play, I'm the best cheater. Too hot, game, AC, fever, enemies drop hard like a rock on Jesus. Rest in peace, I'm the pillar's reaper. Even Wamu sees that he's the weaker. What, you still a non-believer? Your next line is, you're a mind reader. I'm taking you to the cleaners by running away. Now he runs in circles. Grab a TV, what's this commercial? Not tentacle porn, it's it's a purple.
Need a hand, then I catch you. Start planning, leave the motors looking like a body tattoo. I don't have the time to argue. Why not look into my soul? Yes! Catch my sleight of hand, it's going straight into your dome. Death at your door is knocking. On your noggin when against my squadron. Got me up ahead, don't stay confident. Learn from Joseph to play the possum. And I don't bluff too often. Approaching Dio and I'll squash it. Promise I'm putting him back in his coffin. Saving the world, then saving the dolphin!
It's about to get crazy, dying. Just got here with a timing. The Joe Stars, yeah, you know who we are. Couldn't keep up even if you was a highway star. A real man is a poppable. This, that, then I gotta beat your ass for sure. I'm not an explorer, I was just storer. My way through heaven's door. Get room to die and rearrange your body. Wanna fight me, then go ahead and try me. No, not still know, but I will make you rock in your engine. Other than feeling phenomenal. Wanna get fixed on my state, got the antidote. But don't get mixed up, cause I will break all your balls. Balls are red, how they talking chili pepper. Tell all these feelings, they gotta do better.
You never had a chance to start with the illegitimate child of Dia. I'm a band of the classic prowess. Powers limitless. I kill Biggie Small, sacrifice my arm with winch. I give a fist to life before I kiss your wife. And this the time you try to fight the guy who defies all y'all. Better watch your back. Go for my boys, rock up till your house and weapons attacked. Gangstar, I am truly bizarre. When my theme comes on, you better play guitar. It's all love when my mood will leave you cold and hideous. Pissing on your grave, that's a golden experience. And everybody's out to get us. Past your name, we'll be killing them from Rome to Venice. It's evident, Diablo gonna roll in his grave. When I put his ass to sleep, Rick will eat for a train.
Coming in a sixth generation, facing all the incarceration. Didn't do the crime, but still I'm walking the line. Unravel the rabble, tie you up in a battle. Big or small, you're up against a stone wall. Place your bet to be falling, try not the plan to be maddened. Oh Father, please forgive me for the beat I'll be dropping. Like lightning on fire, you'll bring you down like a fire. Gonna keep it in the family,
All my life I've been cursed. Jesus help me start walking. Too determined to be first. In this race I don't have an option. You don't wanna tingle with a slow dancer. Drop kick 'em all with a top spin. All my enemies want their own damn hurts. Fingernails but nails in the coffin. No, I can't stand, but I gotta stand to lay you in the dirt. Spin the tables to turn. You wanna catch a saint's hand, break a leg. Cause I'm sure you're about to find out if my steel balls work. I deal on the way of the dinosaurs, no way to defend. I'm going from Mach 1 to 4, don't delay your end. Valentine is trying to make America great again, but you with the last shot, take it to the head.
Who am I? Welcome to my struggle. Got one mind, but the body feels double. Searching my past, I don't want no trouble. Trust me, you don't wanna burst my bubble. Soft and wet, just know you said your sight, your sound, color pop music. Don't slip up when I'm around, cause I took the friction right out the ground. You wanna throw all your rocks at me, just cause I'm born this way. According to basic biology, my skills are better than yours, I'm afraid. That's why they call me Gappy, I'm on the top, while you're below. I'm singing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Singing through life, I'm on the road.
OG, boy better know me. Beefing up with muscles that are mighty like a Broly. OP, force like Kenobi. I will never fall back. Tackle him so hard, he be looking like the All Black. Speedwagon, cause I overdrive. Breath dragging when he burns alive. Dio planning so my dog would die. Be like John Wick, so you won't survive. Striking like Big Bender bells and burn up like Kelvin. Vampire hunter Van Helsing. Hammer the nails in fine intervention. Crash like a Zeppelin, that's no way to heaven. Used to be the same team, but we're not the same league. You know that your time is over when you hear the main theme. Beating Dio before it became mainstream. Jojo, I created a legacy.
Oh my God, it's that Joe Star ultimate deceiver, cause ladies love me, I'm a real pleaser. Susie, you're my robot finger. All this hormone, I don't need a breather. Any game I play, I'm the best cheater. Too hot, game, AC, fever, enemies drop hard like a rock on Jesus. Rest in peace, I'm the pillar's reaper. Even Wamu sees that he's the weaker. What, you still a non-believer? Your next line is, you're a mind reader. I'm taking you to the cleaners by running away. Now he runs in circles. Grab a TV, what's this commercial? Not tentacle porn, it's a purple.
Need a hand, then I catch you. Start planning, leave the motors looking like a body tattoo. I don't have the time to argue. Why not look into my soul? Yes! approaching Dio and I'll squash him. Promise I'm putting him back in his coffin. Saving the world, then saving the dolphins!
It's about to get crazy, dying. Just got here with a timing. The Joe Stars, yeah, you know who we are. Couldn't keep up even if you was a highway star. A real man is a pompadour. This, that, then I gotta beat your ass for sure. I'm not an explorer, but I was just thorough. My way through heaven's door. Get room to dodge and rearrange your body. Wanna fight me, then go ahead and try me. No, not still but I would make you rock in your engine. Other day feeling phenomenal. Wanna get fixed on my stain, got the antidote. But don't get mixed up, cause I will break all your bones. Balls are red hot, they talking chili pepper. Tell all these feelings, they gotta be better.
You never had a chance to start with the illegitimate child of Dia. I'm a band of the class of prowess. Power's limitless. I kill Biggie Smalls, sacrifice my arm with winch. I give a fist in life before I kiss your wife. And this the time you try to fight the guy who defies all. Y'all better watch your back. But for my boys, rock up to your house and it's attacked. Gangstar, I am truly bizarre. When my theme comes on, you better freak guitar. It's all over when my mood will leave you cold and hideous. Pissing on your grave, that's a golden experience. And everybody's out to get us. Passionate, we'll be killing them from Rome to Venice. It's evident.